strangers. Believe me when I say, loving me is loving danger. Your heart is bound to break. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf.
Hello guys, welcome back to my workshop. Today, as requested by some of you, I want to show you my alarm system. It is a Spy 5000 and I have it for almost 10 years now. Has been operating in 4 of my previous motorcycles and it still works perfectly. It is a two-way alarm system with engine start cut-off and with microwave detection. Two-way because it has 2 remote controls that if someone touches the motorcycle, the remote controls will beep loudly at home, for example. Engine start cut-off means that you can start your bike from home, if it is not in gear of course, and it has no key code system. The Benelli TRK does not, so no problem on there. And if someone steals your motorcycle from a traffic light, for example, and takes off, you can shut off the bike from the distance with this remote control. The range varies up to 5,000 meters with clear line of sight without any interferences, so it's the maximum, for just a few dozen meters through walls. So if you have a garage nearby, you can easily remote control your alarm system. And for the last system is the microwave detection function that warns someone that approaches the motorcycle less than 1 meter, but it does not touch it. I do not use this function since everyone passes near the motorcycle in the city and I don't want to have the bike beeping all the time. As for the installation, it is very simple. I usually only install the basic setup, meaning no remote start because mine TRK is still in warranty and I don't want to cut the original ignition wires. No turn signal flashing when arming or disarming the alarm system. In this case, the TRK LED turn signals don't like the 12 volt signal from the alarm system, since the voltage is too high. After all, the alarm system was made for 12 volts, 21 watts lamps. And also, like I said before, the microwave detector. I also don't install it. These are the complete included instructions. It is very simple. So just one wire to the positive terminal of the battery, the red one. Check your alarm system manual since the colors may vary, but usually is the red one. And the black wire to the negative terminal of the battery or a ground screw on the motorcycle. Then you have your antenna, then you can fix on the rear of the bike inside the fairing. The 115 decibel electric siren. And of course the LED indicator that I usually put over here since I don't want to make any holes in the fairings. You can see here I have the TRK rear lights wiring loom showing since I was testing the LED turn indicators flashing option, but like I said, it's too much voltage. I could probably do this using resistances, but I don't want to mess with the original wiring looms. The flashing is not that important, don't you think? Of course, you don't need to touch these rear lights wiring loom at all for the simple installation of this alarm system. So all these extra wires you can see here, we are not going to use today, so I'm going to wrap them nicely with electric tape and store them away into the rear lateral fairing. Also, the siren goes nicely into the same area with some double-sided tape so it doesn't move or make any noises. You can see here things are starting to look more tidy. All that is left is to put the main alarm unit into a secure location. I think it sits nicely below the rear fairing, just here, along with double-sided tape to prevent vibrations. Okay, that's it, looks good. This is the final look, more or less. Looks good. You can see that I have a lot of electronics connected to the battery, like the heated grips, the auxiliary LED lights, even an external battery charger connector. A lot of stuff, but it's all kinda tidy, each with a fuse to prevent dangerous short circuits. Time to put the main seat back on its place. I really like the comfort of these seats. 12-hour ride, no problem. The TRK 2020 facelift has a different seat with a nicer finish to it, but it seems it's not as much comfortable as these ones. I have yet to test ride the 2020 model, so I'm not sure about it. Okay, so let's test the remote control operation. The big middle button controls the arm function. In this case, I pressed and armed the silent alarm, meaning the siren won't work, but the remote control will vibrate. This is the normal mode activated, siren and vibration. On the side we have the disarm button. Just below it, the remote start cutoff button and the panic siren button. This siren is extremely loud. I cannot stand too long near the bike, makes my ears go crazy. Oh, and if you disarm and don't move or turn on the bike, the alarm will rearm itself. Let's put the pillion seat back on its place. And thanks very much for watching this simple video about the SPY 5000 alarm. Take care, see you next time. Oh, one more thing I forgot. If someone touches or moves the bike, this is what happens on the remote. Please note that I have the silent alarm armed, so no siren, just a remote vibration.